to kill her. Secretly trying to kill her right now. Yeah. I think she's trying to crush her right now with that. I don't think she's trying to help her. She's like, I'm gonna stash you in between this thing.
I'm gonna smother you with a pillow.
She's like a little hot dog. She's like, I'm gonna roll you up.
Come on.
Loco's just sitting there. She's just laying there.
This is weird. This is very... Are you wrapping her in blankets for the night?
She's like, I'm gonna wrap you like a burrito and eat you.
She's like, this
This
week...
is such bizarre dog behavior. What's going on right now?
This is really... No.
Coco's like, okay, I'm gonna do this.
And she's like, whatever. This is a psychotic dog.
Burning your bed.